Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought this great DIY for you guys, this beautiful Kaaba painting. This is super easy to make and it is very affordable, so without wasting time, let's get started. For this purpose, I'm gonna take the 5 by 5 inches canvas and I'm gonna start doing painting on the easel made by my own hands. If you haven't watched the tutorial of this easel, so you can visit my short series. And now let's just start painting. So obviously for the background I am taking pink acrylic paint. This is baby pink color because the background should be light and the thing which you are making on the background, it should be darker color. So that's why I have choose the light pink, or you can say baby pink color. You can also choose any type of color of your own choice. Apply the color evenly on all over the canvas and on the edges also, because we are gonna make the Kaaba in the between of the canvas. So that's why there was no need of applying paint in the center also. I just left this area, and until I am painting the edges and covering the whole canvas with the pink paint, I am giving you guys reminder that do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. To support my channel, so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys, which will be very affordable for you guys and you can flaunt easily with them. Now let it dry for at least 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'm gonna do drawing on this canvas. Okay, so for the drawing I'm measuring the canvas. You can choose any type of canvas or any type of measurement according to your choice. I have taken the 5 by 5 inches canvas, so according to 5 by 5 inches I have taken the measurements. You can change the measurements by your own choice according to the size of your canvas if you are taking any other size of canvas, but if you are taking the same size, so you don't have need to adjust the measurements according to your own choice. Okay, so for the right hand side I am taking a light gray shade, or you can say the dark gray shade or light black color to cover this right area. But the question is that why I'm using this gray color, because the Kaaba is of black color. I have chosen this method to make the visibility of the two sides of Kaaba differently. This step was little bit difficult for me obviously to make the right or accurate color. But you just have to mix the two colors with each other, the black color and the white color. Make sure the quantity of black color should be very less and the quantity of white color should be larger. And if you are not having a good quality brushes, so you can also choose the method of taping. For the taping method, you can choose the paper tape. Simply just apply the paper tape on the edges and after painting take off the tape. Sorry for this blur part, but I was not having any idea that this part is gone blur. And now for the left hand side, I am using the pure black color. Trust me, this painting will look very beautiful on your wall. And make sure whenever you are painting, every time you have to take a very light background, and the object which you are making or you are painting, it should be darker than the background. Now from this angle you can see the painting is looking so beautiful, but it is incomplete. And what will be the look after the completing? Obviously the look of after completing the painting will be very beautiful. And after applying the black part, I am using the golden color. I was not having the golden acrylic paint, so I choose the golden fabric paint for this purpose. It doesn't matter that you are using poster colors or acrylic colors or even fabric colors. All of them are same, and you can see that how beautiful coverage the golden color is giving. I am not writing any type of ayats on this Kaaba painting because this painting will show a very larger or wider look. That's why I've just applied golden color simply, and this is the final look of the painting. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Allah Hafiz.